My name is Rain, and here we have the unboxing for our Seasonic core GC-650. So it's a 650 watts and certified 80 plus gold. We have here a 7 year warranty. So the difference is this one is a non-modular. You can see here we have the Tough Gaming Alliance logo by Asus. Below this side is, you can see these specs, the model name, then the DC output voltage, and the cable type. Unboxing. So just open up the right side. Okay, we have some, I think it's a product registration. So then some message from Seasonic itself. Installation guide and user manual, plain text only with different language. Now we have here some zip ties and our power supply itself. Oh, this must be the tester for the 24 pin. Okay, now for the power supply itself. Here is the description. So it's yep, very nice sticker. Back we have this, the switch for our power supply and the fan. Now let's see for our cord, for our for our cables. To remove the ties. Now this is the disadvantage of this power supply. It's a non-modular, so cable management is gonna be difficult. And if you can hear the background, yep, it's raining outside right now. Now we have Molex type cable. We have a 6+2 connector and a single cable. Okay, so this is for the motherboard. We have a 4+4 single cable. We have 2 SATA, a single cable, and another SATA cable. Oh, it's a 4 connector on a single cable. Then another for a PCI connector. So it's a 6+2, 2 connector and a single cable. And lastly, our 24 pin. So it's not a 20+4, it's already installed. So, and for the cable itself, it's a very nice braided cable. Now later on, I'm gonna make a PC build video later on. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing of the GC-650. And yes, it's a 80 plus gold, and it cost me for about less 4,000 Philippine pesos. So I hope anyone could be bought this for a cheaper price. And my name's Rain, signing off.